Hi guys, welcome back to our 10-day series for NEET preparation of 2026. Today I'm going to tell you the important topics from which you can 100% expect questions, okay? So let's start chapter wise. First of all, from sexual reproduction in flowering plants, you have to study pollination and agents. From next chapter, that is human reproduction, you have to study menstrual cycle. Then from reproductive health, you have to study IUCD and art. Then from principles of inheritance and variation, you have to study polygenic inheritance, pleiotropy and the disorders. Then from MBI, you have to study transcription. From human health and disease, you have to study the whole immunity. From microbes in human welfare, you have to study chemical enzymes and bioactive molecules. From biotechnology, you know the whole chapter is super important, and also the cloning vector. From biotechnology application, you have to study the molecular diagnosis. From organism and population, you have to study the population interactions. From ecosystem, you have to study productivity. From biodiversity and its conservation, you have to study the in situ and ex situ conservation. From biological classification, you have to study the kingdom fungi. From plant kingdom, you have to study algae. From morphology of flowering plants, you have to study androecium. And from biomolecules chapter, you have to study enzymes nicely. Then from cell cycle and division, you have to study meiosis 1. Then from photosynthesis in higher plants, you have to study dark reaction C3 and C4. From plant growth and development, you have to study plant growth hormones. Now the last chapter, that is chemical control and coordination, you have to study thyroid and adrenal gland for sure. Now these are some important topics from which definitely there are going to be questions. So when you are thinking of the last day preparation, don't forget to revise these important topics, and don't start going to solve all those mock tests and all those marathons that okay, today is the last day, I'm going to solve all of these. In spite of that, revise accordingly, and all of these topics need to be revised properly, okay, and all the diagrams and all the important tables, okay. All the best guys.